Okay, this is the second lecture on 1.7 over order of operations. Your order of operations, in case you've forgotten, is PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division in the order they appear, and addition and subtraction in the order they appear. And that's a bad subtraction. So let's rewrite that. So when I look at this first problem, do I add first, or there's nothing in there, so that's an implied multiplication. So 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. 11 plus negative 12 is negative 1. Okay, addition, division, or multiplication. Multiplication and division comes before addition, and you do it in the order it appears. Since the division is first, we divide first. Okay, and then 4 times 5 is 20, and 7 plus 20 is 27. Okay, what's on this one? You can simplify what's in the parentheses first. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16. Parentheses first. 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2 is negative 2 over 2. 7 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 9 over 3. Simplifying, I get negative 1 times 3, which gives us a negative 3. Okay. This you treat, when you have a fractional expression, you want to treat the numerator and denominator separately. So up top, 7 times 3 is 21, and it's simplified. On the bottom, I'm going to do the 9 times 2 first, which is 18. 3 plus 18 is 21, and 21 over 21 is 1. Okay. On this one, numerator, I have 1 plus 7 times 5, because I flip and multiply. The denominator, I have negative 6 times 2 plus 8. Multiplication first, and the same thing on the bottom. Adding, I get 36 over negative 4, which divides to give me negative 9. Okay, when you have parentheses within parentheses, you start with the innermost. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and everything else stays the same. Now I can do this multiplication inside the bracket. I'm still trying to simplify what's in the square brackets. Still simplifying what's in here. 27 minus 20 is 20, and 2 times 20 gives us 40. Innermost parentheses first. 2/3 times a negative 9. Okay, let's think of that like this. Yep, that's not a plus. Two over 3 times a negative 9 over 1. So my 3 cancels into 9 and leaves a 3. So I have 3 bracket 4 plus. On top I have a -6, and on the bottom I just have 1 now. 4 plus -6 is -2, and 3 times -2 is -6. Okay? Exponents this time. Okay? Exponent first. Okay? Because it's inside the parenthesis, but there's nothing in the parenthesis I can simplify. So now I have 2 plus 7 times -4 squared means -4 times -4, or 16. 7 times 16 is 112, and 2 plus 112 is 114, if I didn't do math wrong in my head. Exponent on top, parenthesis on the bottom. So 2 times 3 squared, which is 9, plus 4 over 3 times, and 2 minus 6 is -4. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times -4 is -12. 18 plus 4 is 22. Those are both even, so they're divisible by 2, so I get -11/6, or 11 over -6, wherever you want to write that negative is fine. Okay? Exponents first, because there's nothing I can simplify in the parentheses yet. So 18 plus 7 times 2 to the third is 8. Minus 26 plus, and 5 squared is 25. 8 minus 26 is a -18 plus 25. Seven times -18 is 6. Carry my 5. 18 and -126 is a -108 plus 25, which gives us a -83. One more. We're going to simplify what's inside first. 2 cubed So that's 8 minus 6 over 10 minus, and here we're going to do a multiplication. 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. And 1 times 1 gives us 1 on top. 2 times 2 gives us a 4. And that's your lecture for 1.7. I think I just screwed up, but it's the wrong thing. But that's okay. I accidentally stopped sharing. Let me go back in here and share that. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. That is the end of the lecture for 1.7.